Google is on a verge to destroy their own tools, but in a good way. Now they're creating one more tool which is going to be more powerful than Notebook ML. Notebook ML was specifically used for research and learning purposes, but now they're creating one more tool which is Learn Your Way. This is going to be specifically focused on learning, and that's what going to beat Notebook ML. You see, Notebook ML is very generalized, like people can use it for multiple things, but when it comes to learning, it has some limitations into it. So the current major issue with Notebook ML is that it generalizes the learning for the user. But this Learn Your Way, this new tool that Google is creating, that personalizes the learning and makes it unique to that particular student or learner. That's going to make the huge difference here. Let me show you how it works and what it is all about. So as you can see on my screen, this is Learn Your Way by Google. It's still in experimental phase now, but it is designed to reimagine your textbook's experience and make it fun and interactive. Let's see how it works. So you can upload any PDF here and you can start learning. You need to select your grade level and your specific interest. Once you do that, your learning will be personalized based on your grade and your interest. You can learn with immersive text, slides and narration, audio lessons and mind maps. It also has interactive quizzes into it, and this all things are powered by Gemini. Let me show you an example of it. So this is Earth and Sky and I want to learn it. Let's say I am a high schooler who likes basketball. So this is where it personalizes the learning for you. It provides you the immersive text experience here and interactive quizzes. On the side, they have slides and narration where the slides are being created and each slide is narrated unique to you. So it's like a very personalized experience here that is being created. It also turns it into audio lessons so you can listen to it whenever, let's say, you are traveling or going somewhere else. And it provides interactive mind map where we can get the summaries of what is going on underneath each topic, like major topic, and then breakdown of that topic into subtopics and subtopics. This way it makes a lot more easier. The interesting part about this is it is specifically focused on learning and it personalizes the experience. So that's the update for now. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya.